Garcia, one of the cartilage and sports surgeons here. Today we're going to show an interesting case. This is a young active guy, actually had previously had a cartilage transplant in the same knee almost over 8 years ago, 9 years ago. And outside facility, doing really well. And then referred to me because there was some piece of loose cartilage in his knee. It turns out that the transplanting I had eventually failed. The cartilage pulled off and got stuck. Turns out also it was a little more difficult. It was in the back of the knee. So we were able to take that out arthroscopically and then do a revision transplant. Now the data is not as clear on this because it's less common, but you can see 6 months out, he's doing awesome, minimal pain, and hope you enjoy the testimonial. Thanks.
So back in 2015, I had basically the same injury happen. Part of my cartilage basically broke off, and had 2 surgeries then in 2015. The first one, arthroscopic cleanup, the second one, a transplant. And at that time, didn't do any sort of deeper digging for the surgery, didn't do any kind of plasma extraction or anything like that. And then come this year in 2023, early February, was walking down the stairs and that failed, came through. So that kind of led us to today where Dr. Garcia has been taking care of me. Yeah, hearing that it was the same injury again was disappointing. Definitely was hoping it wasn't something as serious as what I had experienced before. But at the same time, Dr. Garcia was great as far as just giving me, here's the steps, here's the plan, and he had an idea of exactly what was going to happen and how the recovery was going to go. He was great at telling me, this is not something that you can't get through, and that, we'll just do what we need to do, and on the other end, you'll be just fine. After the surgery, things went great. I mean, just, of course, having to be on my butt for a few weeks and, not being able to walk around was unfortunate, but coming out of that, I had a great physical therapist recommendation, and things have been awesome. I'm able to, walk and back into doing some movement here and there as far as like jumping around. And I would say overall, no unexpected issues after the actual surgery itself. So clean recovery, everything went well.
Are you happy you did this?
Absolutely, yes, 100% happy.